All right. How is everybody doing? Bring that down a little bit. There we go. All right. So, today, the screen is a little off. Not the screen, the camera. And there's my daughter. I'm live, Juju. All right. So, today, we're going to continue working on our lab. But we're going to go ahead and do something a little bit different instead of administrating. Julia, sit down. Instead of administrating Windows and Linux, we're going to administrate the network. Which means we're going to go ahead and build a PFSense router. We're going to build out an entire network. So, first things first. PFSense is a firewall / router / gateway, and it is open source. It has a bunch of little features that I really want to start building on a machine. So let me go ahead and pull this up. So let's get started. First things I need to see is what hardware do we need? Like what specs? I already got the ISOs and everything, so we're going to save a little time on the downloads. Configuration. No. Hardware selection, sizing, minimum hardware. Here we go. So we need 1 gig of RAM and 8. Oh, wow, that's nothing. We got a 64-bit CPU. That's good. 1 gig or more of RAM, which we got plenty. 8 gigs of storage, 1 or more. Well, you're gonna need more than 1. Why would you have just 1? Unless you do. Never mind. Actually, you could. You can do technically everything on 1 with just VLAN tagging, but that's a little more complicated. And a bootable hard drive. A bootable hard drive. All right. So now that we have all the basics, let's build a VM. We're gonna name this PFSense. It's gonna be a Gen 1 because I don't think this thing needs UEFI or actually uses UEFI. So we're gonna use Gen 1. We're gonna go ahead and give it 2048 and turn off dynamic memory. We need to create a new switch, actually. So let's do that first. So we're gonna go in here, we're gonna create an internal network. The lab. We're gonna name that internal. And then I think we need to create an external. See? The web. And this is allow. Okay, this is gonna knock me out, isn't it? All right, this might make a little hiccup. There we go. Hey, YouTube, you're back. All right, so back to this. Okay, so now that we got our network fixed, should have done that before. All right, so now we can build a virtual machine Next, we're gonna name it PFSense. Gen 1, 2048, uncheck that. And then we're going to connect it to the lab. And we're gonna give this thing, 30 gigs? Next, we're gonna install the operating system from an ISO, and the ISO is right. Where is it? Oh. Did I not download it? I did download it. Hold on. Downloads. Go in folder. Right here. Oh, because I haven't extracted it. Alright, so here it is. We need to extract this because this is the ISO. Because it was in a zip. Alright, so that should be done. And now refresh. Extract. PFSense, here you are. Go. Next. Finish. Alright, it's building that. And connect it. And let's start it up. Alright, so that's doing that automatic. Alright, so it's starting up now. It's gonna take a minute. Alright, we're going to accept. We're going to install. Continue with the default key map. We're going to ZFS. All of that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Yes. Destroy. Good. All right. So now we are building. It's eating up the words. Okay. Installation is now finished. Would you like to open the shell? No, I don't want to make any manual modifications. Let's reboot. Now, what we're going to do is while this is working, we're going to go ahead and let me see if I can actually add another. No, you can't. So you have to shut it off. You know what? Turn off. Turn off. Bye-bye. Okay. So we're going to add another NIC. Network adapter. And we're going to name that. We're going to give that one the web. Now we're going to start it up. We don't need this anymore. Let's restart that one more time. What's going on, Jeebas? All right, let's launch all of that. Does this eject? Yes, it did. Cool. Let's launch up PFSense. Okay, do VLANs need to be set up first? Why is this doing that? No. Enter the WAN interface or A for auto detection. Let's try A. Connected. I'm gonna assume it's HN1. I think. I can always change it later. Enter the LAN interface, or A for auto detection. Auto. HN 0. Okay. Would be nice to see if it actually gives me an IP. Okay, let's just try that. All right, configuring the WAN interface. Let's clean up my glasses here because it's getting a little smudgy. And we're gonna go and really tinker around with some stuff now. So while that's launching, we're gonna go ahead and launch up my DC. And actually, before we do that, we're gonna go ahead and change the NIC to the lab. Start it up. Let's get the other one loaded up here. What the heck? Synthetic. Cannot. Oh, because eject. There we go. Try it again. There we go. Okay, starting DNS result. Okay, that took a minute. Why? Oh, the lab. Okay. So now the WAN and the LAN. Oh, this is gonna give problems. Oh God. Okay, so this is actually a bad thing. You cannot have your WAN and your LAN be the same thing. So what we're gonna do is we're going to change the interface IP of the LAN, because that's going to be an issue. So we're going to change the LAN. We're going to change it to 170. Oh God. 172.16. No. I'm going to name it the 10.100.0.1. And the subnet's going to be a 24. And for LAN, we don't need any of that. We don't need a V6. Do I want to enable DHCP? Yes, I do. Do I? For now, yes. Because we're going to move the DHCP from the PFSense. We're going to move it over to Windows. Enter the start address of this is going to be 10.100.0.100. And the end is 10.100.0.200. Do I want to revert HTTP as a web configurator profile? Oh, sure, why not? Okay, so we're gonna name this admin starter. I forgot the password. Password 1. There we go. All right. All right, so that's gonna work now. Okay, so that's done. We're gonna go ahead and launch up this other VM start, and we need to actually configure sconfig here, because I think we don't have the proper IP. So let's go in here. We're going to change the IP address. We're going to set to DHCP, and it should pick up a 10.100.0.100 actually. And while that's launching, let's go ahead and launch up a third. Wait, where's my third one? I did not open it. Connect. Yes. All right. John Smith. Uh, oh, turn off that. All right. And what is my IP address? Like, cancel. Return to main menu. Let's go back. Let's see. One. Set network address. Why isn't it? Because this is Nick's under DHCP enabled true. So I can cancel this actually. Return. Let's exit to the command line. And we're gonna do ipconfig /release. And a nice little trick, we're gonna do this and, which means it's gonna concatenate the action with ipconfig /renew. We released it, and I need to change this server. It's not this computer to the lab. We're gonna do something cool later on, hopefully, with VLAN tagging, because that's gonna get interesting. Okay, cool. So now we got an IP. So we're gonna go to sconfig. We're gonna go to network settings. We have the correct IP. But now for a domain controller, best practice is you want to set that static. So we're going to go ahead and select that. We're going to set the IP address. We're going to set it to static. We're going to name it, give it to 10.100.0.5. Subnet mask is 255.255.255.0 because that matches everything. Then 100.0.1 is the IP address of our PFSense. The DNS server is going to be 10.100.0.5 preferred. We don't have an alternate. We're going to return and exit. So now if I do ipconfig /all, we have all of the information correct. Excellent. And now we need to go into this computer, not computer, control panel. Control panel, network and interwebs, network and sharing center. Go here, details. Hey, we got an IP. So we need to change our DNS server because that DNS server is not correct. We're going to name it administrator. And our super secret squirrel password. That's going to be done. Close, close, close. So now we need to log on to the web, which is 10.100.0.1. I think it's just admin or admin password. Okay, what is the default? What is the default? Okay. Okay, we need to do a little quick research. What is the default? Default login PFSense. Admin and password. Right? Username admin password dot. Oh, no password. Admin. Oh, PFSense. We're gonna sign in. Hello. Clicky clicky. Hello. You okay, Chuchi? HTTPS. Restart web configurator. Why no worky? I thought I set this thing to be. Hello? Terminal. Give me a second. Ping Yong. Ping 10-100-01. It's responding. So what the heck? There we go. Admin. PFSense. Yay! It worked. I don't know why it took forever. I should probably display settings. Let's make this a little bigger. Oh, excuse me. 1920 by 1080. Perfect. Keep changes. All right. Let me fix this really quick because. Is it done by video? Okay, there we go. There we go. Julia, stop. Okay, so now we need Edge. Welcome to PFSense. Blah blah. Host name PFSense. Home name is. What was the name of my domain? I forgot the name of my domain. Techbytes.com. Primary DNS server is 10.100.05. Next. That's fine. The time zone is America. New York. Don't need that. Like this is on the screen. Okay, this is WAN, which is fine. And we want to block private networks from entering via WAN. That's fine. Okay, that is correct. And then a password. Whatever. Password. Reload. Yes. Or reload is in progress. All right, cool. Finish. Okay, I accept. And you're welcome. Cool. So, first thing, I need to see my IPs. Okay. And I should be getting IP config. What's my DNS set? Okay. IP config / release and IP config renew. Oh, really? That's another way of doing it. That's PowerShell right there. So we don't have a new DNS. So we need to configure interface. This is services, DHCP server, range. That's fine. DNS server is 10.100.05. That's fine. Hit save. All right, cool. Now we should be able to release and renew. Oh, wrong one. There you go. All right, and we get all. That is correct. So I should be able to ping techbytes.com, and there it is. So now we got a network. Now let's see if we can configure the internet. Ping google.com. We got internet. We got internet. So now we got routed traffic. So I can ping. What is the name of this computer? Host name. WinDev 2110 eval. There it is. And that is working because that is the IP of this computer. Cool. So, next thing. Let's configure VLANs. Now I have to figure out how to do this. LAN. No, it's not. It is under services. No, it's not. It's under system. Nope. Interfaces. Where would VLAN stuff be in? System advanced. Networking. Admin access. Nope. Firewall and NAT. Nope. Miscellaneous. No. Let's go routing. No, that's fine. NAT aliases, rules, schedules, virtual IPs. Nope. Interfaces, assignments. VLANs. Here we go. Cool. So the parent interface is going to be this one. VLAN tag. We're going to name it 2. Description. This is going to be servers. And then VLAN 3 is going to be desktops. VLAN 4 IoT. We're going to put my Linux server on that one. All right, so no wireless interfaces in here. So now I think we have to set up DHCP relays. DHCP server. Add a pool. Okay. Assignments. Aha. Here we go. Add. 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 Here we go. So now that's there. We save. Save. I saved, right? Interface. Aha. Okay, so OPT1. We're going to enable that. This is going to be servers. IP4 configuration type, static. And we're going to be 10.100 dot, name this VLAN 2, right? Yep. 10.100 2.1. Save. All right, and then this is OPT2. Enable the interface. This is going to be desktops. We're going to name this one with static. This one's going to be 10.103.1. And this is going to be 24. Save that as well. Then we're going to go to VLAN 4. This is going to be IoT. This is static. 10.104.1. And it's going to be 24. Save. IoT must change. Okay, changes must be applied. Okay, we need to change DHCP servers in servers. We're going to change that. Okay, well, the range is going to be 10.100 to 1, 10.100. No, not 2, 100. 10.100 to 200. And the servers is going to be 10.100.0.5. We're going to leave that the DC there. We're going to move some other stuff around. All right, and then domain name is going to be techbytes.com. All right, and save. No, I don't want to save that. There we go. All right, desktops. We're going to do the same thing. 10.103.100, 10.103.200. And the DNS is going to be that one. And the domain name is going to be techbytes. We're going to save that. Go away. Then IoT, we're not going to give it the HCP because we want to statically assign those. All right, so that's all done, right? Apply the changes. All right, let's spin up Windows Admin Center. And this time we're going to do something different. So we're going to do the lab. And we're going to name it VLAN, was it 2? Jeez, I forgot what I named that as. Servers is VLAN, oh yeah, VLAN 2. So we're going to go in here. We're going to go in. We're going to go in here. Go in here, add that. And we can remove this. None. Apply. Okay. And we're going to connect and start up. Continue. Okay, so now this should get an IP address of 10.100.2. And Let's connect to DNS in here. Got ahead of myself. Oh, I need to log in as an admin. That's right. Which is fine. All right, and then I need to create rules in here. All right, we're gonna allow source any destination to source from LAN network to this server network. We're gonna allow that, and the servers and the desktop network to servers network. Save. And then from servers network to any allow apply. Yes. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and log in. All right, so IP config as config. Let's go to network settings. Select. We're going to set DHCP just to make sure. They may have set it up to be static. Let's make sure that the DHCP server is set up properly for servers. That is correct. That is correct. That is correct. This might take a minute. And let's make sure that the tag is set up properly. Set to the lab. We'll just let that go for a second. That's taking a bit. Let's see DHCP leases. Oh, my computer picked up. Why? Oh, that's right. It did. Does it really need that? It should really be private, not internal. Oh, whatever. Did this pick it up? Yep, it looks like it did. So let's go back to number 8. It did not. Why? So I need to set up servers, MTU, speed and duplex, upstream. Okay, I think I said something wrong here. Oh, not WAN, LAN. LAN is dun dun dun. That is correct. So servers. All right, so what happened here? 10.102. All right, so assignments. VLANs. VLAN tag 2. HN0 LAN. Am I getting the right? Should be. Oh, I got internet, so yeah, technically I do. The untagged traffic is going here. And tagged traffic should be going here. I know why. Build the... Where are the logs? PF top? No. PF info. It's in here somewhere. Okay, our rules are set up properly. So, because I can route here to HN02. Well, I think our issue is rules. Server. Add. Source. Interface. Yeah, name and servers. Destination is this firewall. Any. I think that's the issue, is from any to any. I think this is it. Because I don't think I was allowing DHCP traffic. So we're gonna return, exit, ipconfig/release, and ipconfig/renew. Let's see. So that is done. DHCP leases. LDAP. Why is it taking so long? Diagnostics, not status, DHCP releases. It should be right here. All right, let's try doing this and see what IP address I get. I should be 10.100. Go in here and should be assigning an IP address really quick. Fair enough. There it is. So, VLAN. Try VLAN 3. I don't think I have the HTTP set up there. So it's picking up there. The HTTP server. Did I hit enable on this? Yeah. If this doesn't work, then the next thing is to do ping tests by statically assigning. So now we're running into a networking issue now. I think it's the rules. Ten 100. I don't need to do any of that automatically. Advanced. Nope. Assignment. And no. So alright, so let's set up a static IP here. Network 1 that static 10.100 3.5 whatever 255 0 100.03 100.3.1 and set DNS is 100.0.5. Return, exit, AP config. So now if we do ping 10.100.3.1, aha, we got a tagging issue here. Or is it a security issue? Let's troubleshoot. The first thing that this one does not have anything. Pass from any desktop net to this firewall, and it's going to be any to any. Save that for now. Save. We're going to add also from desktops to servers, any to any. Save. So we're gonna do that ping continuous. Okay, still got VLAN 3 here, so cool. request timed out. So what if I see here? Huh? I think we got something else going on here. Hold on. Let's switch. I now switch users. Switch user. Alrighty. I don't think I set up DHCP on this, but let me check this just in case. Maybe I have a DHCP conflict. Something else. I don't think I set up a scope in here. I did not, saying. So, that's not it. Maybe that's an issue. Why? That there. And apply. Settings have already been applied. Good. Why isn't this working? So agent 0 is correct. I have VLAN 2, VLAN 3, and VLAN 4, and I have my VLANs set up properly. So my desktops, VLAN tag is 3. And here VLAN tag is 3. Do I need to do something to my switch, maybe? Okay, this sets it across. Okay, that's all fine. Let me just turn that off and on again. That's the lab, yeah. Let's check the rules and desktops. Can I not filter? There you go. Interface. Destination. Something else going on here. System. Routing. No. Advanced. Firewall and net. VLAN. Can I ping across? No, I could. I think the issue is a VLAN tag issue here. This thing's not VLAN tagging properly. Oh, why not? Is the question. Let me check my PFSense. The web, the lab. I doubt it. Oh, maybe I need to do one. This might break more stuff. It did. Yep, it broke more stuff. Okay. Huh. Go, Julia. Close the door. Close the door. Okay, Chuchi. All right, I'll be right back. So I didn't like something here. Unless I had to hit OK first. Let's reboot this. I don't think I like the tags. Reboot normally. PFSense is rebooting. Oh, can't see that. All right, let's see. Oh, I'm in dum-dum. 0. Okay. So... well, let's see the rules. Allow land to any role. See. Log packets that are handled. desktops to this firewall, desktops to that. What's this? Move check rule. This one. Edit. You know what? Just for now. Where is it? For now, to avoid any conflict,